Questions sometimes come up on what kind of camera equipment I use and what kind of software do I use to produce. So stay tuned and we're going to revisit that. Hello, welcome back to Pine Meadows Hobby Farm. I'm your host, Jerry Hansen. Periodically I get questions over what cameras do I use and how do I film my shots. Some people think my wife is holding the camera, but that's not true. I have this collection of tripods that I've collected over time. I think I purchased only one of the tripods for $1 from Goodwill as is. So here's my tripods. This is my newest acquisition right here. I got that for Christmas. This one I picked up at an estate cleanup. It mounts on the window of a car so I can videotape going down the road or something. I have some shots in my YouTube collection using that. This is another tripod that I use. It was given to me by a friend of mine. This one I actually just purchased not too long ago for $1 from the Goodwill as is store. This one belongs to my daughter. She loaned it to me to be able to use, and my son has an identical one that he gave me to use. And then my collection of cameras are these. I use this Olympus, which I never use anymore, but I have used that in the past. It gave a little bit better quality than this Olympus. And then my new acquisition, my son gave this to me for my birthday. It is an Action Pro, GoPro style camera. And then here is another one. In addition, I have these two trail cams that Discovery Channel gave me. I also have this HD camera by Bestecker. This one was given to me also by Discovery Channel. And this here is my Canon PowerShot S5IS. This is the camera I use all the time now. I've also recently acquired some sound equipment. And then my brother-in-law gifted me with this wireless microphone set for videographing. He gifted me with this one as well. And we must not forget the all-important lens cloth. Keep that lens clean. And to give you guys a more in-depth view on how I film my show and how I produce the show and stuff, I'm leaving a link down below on a set of videos that I produce specifically to answer that question. So click on that link, watch those videos, and enjoy. I'm your host, Jerry Hansen, here at Pine Meadows Hobby Farm. I want to thank you guys for coming and tuning in on this short little demonstration on answering the question, what camera equipment do I use and how do I produce? We'll see you again later. Bye-bye.